Hey guys and gals, welcome to another episode of GearHeadGirl Garage, where we're going to show you how to balance your wheel. Okay, so first you've got your rod, you're going to shove it through here and place this on, fit it in snugly. And come up here and set the wheel down. You've got your valve stem right here, which should be the heaviest point. So if you have it down here at the bottom, it's probably going to stay still. You put it up here at the top, see, and it'll start to move till the heaviest point's at the bottom. And so it's stopping right here, which means our heaviest point's gonna be here, so we wanna add weight directly opposite to that, so we're gonna add weight up here. You wanna get brake clean and a rag and clean off the area so you have good adhesion. And before you actually stick the weight on, you might want to take some painter's tape or masking tape just to test it first. See if I put this here. Okay, so our wheel's stopped. We're gonna go ahead and turn it 90 degrees and see if it moves more. Okay, so you can see it stopped again in the same spot, so we're gonna add a little bit more weight. And then try turning it 90 degrees again. All right, so we've turned it 90 degrees a couple times now and it stayed in the same spot. So this should be the right weight. So we're gonna take these two. So we're gonna be going right here. So we're just gonna clean it off really good, make sure we get any contaminants off. And we're gonna peel off this adhesive backing, the paper on it, and place the weights down. If you're gonna be doing a track day or racing, you're gonna wanna put duct tape over these weights. And it's also a good idea if you're doing it just on a street bike as well, just to make sure they don't fly off and you have an unbalanced wheel. So there you go. Thanks for watching this episode of GearHeadGirl Garage. We'll see you next time.
Check us out online at GearHeadGirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at GearHeadGirl69.